Hello friends, here is a really quick video for you guys, and it's gonna be, I promise this video gonna be really helpful for anyone out there. So I was just thinking to replace the cabin filter for this car, which is a Toyota Prado 120 series. So you can see it seems like there was a mice used to live here, and you can see his shit around. So yeah, it came in, and I'll show you. Hang on, that filter should be around somewhere here. So I'll show you the condition of that filter. It was really bad, and someone been using this car since, I think it's, yeah, he just, because it must be smelling really bad, so he just slide that in to that filter there, and I just took this out from there. It's been sitting on top of filter. So I'll show you filter. It was really bad, and then I'll going to give you a solution that what you can do with this car to sanitize it and clean it up properly. And it's gonna be, I promise this gonna be really quick and easy. So here, this is the filter I took out from this car, and you can see it's really bad. You don't want to breathe in that shit there, so you definitely need to sanitize. So it's not gonna help just to replace this new filter, and this is the product I found. So, one of my mechanic, he used it before in my yurt, so, and he gave me the idea that this is something really good, so kills germs. It's from CRC Auto AC Pro Cleaner, easily available on super cheap Autobahn, and it's quite easy to use actually. So these are all the instruction how to use it, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'll show you in a while how I'm going to use it. Yeah, would like to mention, yeah, this one was about $27, so not that expensive, and I think you can use it on 2 to 3 cars, depends how bad are they, so not that expensive. So as I promised before, this is quite easy to use, and especially even if you are smokers, you have already replaced your air filter and still it's smelling really bad, or any odor or smell in your car's cabin system or AC air condition system, this gonna take it away, and I have seen it before. So just slide that tube on there and make sure the engine is not on, all electrics are off, and I'll show you what we're going to do. So we'll slide that tube in there in all of our, sorry, I got only one hand to work with, so it's gonna be a bit difficult. So yeah, slide that in. Okay, that was closed actually, so make sure it's open all the way. So that was closed and I have just opened it. Slide there as deep as you can. It should be enough. Oh, this need to shake it well before using, so yeah. Okay, after shaking, just press it, and you can see it's filling up with that foam. Once it's out here, just leave it. Now do all one by one with all the air vents. So we're going to repeat same, and then we're gonna leave it for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we'll turn on our heater full on. Make sure all the air vents are open. Leave your doors open and let it run at least 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure everything gets dry, and that's it. Then just replace your filter. Make sure you clean it properly and replace it with a new filter. And see, as I said, it's gonna be super easy to clean it up, as I promised before. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.